In this video, I'll show you how to hide view counts on Instagram Reels. So first, go ahead and open Instagram and then go ahead and create a reel on Instagram. So to create a reel, click on Reel to the section and then select a video that you want to post as a reel. And then click on the next button in here. So on the final screen, before posting, tap the advanced settings. So scroll down from here and you'll be able to find this more options button. Click on this and then toggle off show view count and then post your reel. Views will be hidden from public display. So make sure to toggle off show view count in here. You can also hide reel views after posting by clicking on your reel and then tapping the three dot menu at the bottom right of your screen and then select manage view count or hide view count and then confirm your choice. And that is how you can basically hide reel views on Instagram.